Welcome back to Suzie Anderson Home. Today's video is the first in our 2025 Interior Design Trends series, where we'll explore key design influences for the year ahead. This episode focuses on colour palettes, including the 2025 colours of the year, and tips to create a cohesive colour scheme tailored to your home. In part 2, we'll explore mindful design, biophilic elements, and personalisation, showing you how to transform your space into a sanctuary. Before we begin, if you've been a long-time viewer of ours, please consider subscribing, as your support allows us to reach more people passionate about styling. The 2025 Colour Forecast. Colour is one of the most powerful elements in interior design. It doesn't just shape how a space looks, but how it feels. Each year, industry leaders like WGSN and Coloro forecast trends that balance beauty with colour psychology. Here's a closer look at their 2025 forecast. 1. Greens and earth tones, reflecting intentional living. Greens evoke feelings of growth, renewal and hope, while earth tones like terracotta, clay and deep browns offer stability, groundedness and a connection to nature. Two, warm neutrals, reflecting versatility. Shades like chalky white, warm grey and beige create a timeless foundation, fostering focus and balance in any space. Three, soft pastels, reflecting restoration. Gentle tones like lilac, soft mint, peach and muted blues provide a soothing backdrop, ideal for restful areas and mindfulness. Four, energizing brights, reflecting play and personal expression. Bold hues like mauve, teal, magenta, yellow and lime green add vibrancy and creativity as playful accents or striking statements. Which of these resonates most with you? Let us know in the comments. Next, let's take a closer look at the standout colours of the year as chosen by leading paint brands. Pantone has introduced Mocha Mousse, a mellow brown that radiates warmth and comfort. Behr offers Rumours, a deep ruby red that adds depth and a touch of luxury. Benjamin Moore presents Cinnamon Slate, a balanced earthy purple that feels soothing and sophisticated. And Dunn has chosen Caramelised, a warm terracotta tone, reminiscent of sun-baked clay. Do you notice the theme? The paint colours for 2025 share a moody, grounded and elegant aesthetic with deep earth tones as the foundation. We've added a link to the full list in the description box below. Designing a cohesive colour palette. Next, creating a beautiful colour scheme starts with a clear vision concept aligned with your personal style and the room's function. Think of your colour palette as a puzzle or outfit. Each element, from textures, hues and accessories, comes together to create a complete picture. To start, reflect on the following areas. 1. Physical inspiration. Start with something you love, like an anchor piece, artwork, rug, wallpaper or favourite textile. 2. We also recommend taking our free style quiz linked in the description box below. 2. Mental and emotional inspiration. Reflect on a place you've visited, a childhood memory or ambience you want to create. 3. Guiding principles for colour schemes. Next, here are some guiding colour concepts to help you discover what you may enjoy. Analogous colours. These are colours next to each other on the colour wheel, such as blue, green and teal, and are ideal for creating a harmonious look. Complementary colours. Pair opposites like blue and orange for bold, dynamic contrast. Monochromatic colours. Explore tints, shades and tones of one base colour for depth and interest. The 60-30-10 rule. Allocate 60% to one or two base colours, 30% to muted and supporting colours, and 10% to bolder accents. Tension, flow and context. Finally, by thoughtfully addressing visual tension, flow and the context of your space, you can achieve a colour palette that feels inviting, dynamic and uniquely yours. Visual tension and contrast. Every room needs harmony, but visual tension adds excitement and keeps the design fresh. Incorporate subtle contrasts through the layering of different materials and finishes within your colour palette, pairing glossy ceramics with woven rattan or reclaimed wood with smooth velvet. Use complementary colours for bold statement, like navy and orange, or green and blush pink to energise the space. Visual flow. While contrast brings energy, flow ensures the design still feels cohesive and balanced. Introduce middle values. Use mid-tones like dusty rose or soft grey to bridge brighter and darker shades, avoiding harsh transitions. Neutrals. Shades like taupe and off-white provide a calming backdrop, while letting more saturated and bold colours shine. Colour drenching. This technique involves extending a single colour across walls, ceilings, trims, and even furniture for an immersive effect. The existing context. Understanding your home's existing elements ensures your design feels natural and intentional. Observe existing woods, metals and fabrics. Are they cool, neutral or warm? We recommend selecting colours that complement these undertones, such as pairing warm oak floors with terracotta accents. Lastly, lighting significantly affects the way colours appear. Always test your paint samples, fabrics, wallpaper and materials under both natural and artificial light, and consider the changing light throughout the day. Thank you so much for watching. We hope these tips inspire you to explore 2025's colour trends with confidence. Which colour of the year resonates most with you? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more design inspiration like this video. And remember, when designing a home you love, the beauty is in the detail.